Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Tell everyone what we're doing.
We're going to our Malakai swimming class, and then we're just gonna hang out for the day before he has his vaccination.
Oh yeah.
4-month vaccination, which we're quite terrified about because we don't like seeing our baby in pain. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah. So, what do you call it?
Injection.
We're scheduled to get the injection next Monday. Well, that's what we were planning. But we decided that it's probably best that we do it on a Friday so that we can both be there for him
Over the weekend.
Yeah, because last time that he had a vaccination,
Also on a Friday.
it was also on a Friday, but more to the point, he was just super unsettled, and he was very predictable up until the point where he got a vaccination where a nappy change or a feed wouldn't really fix it. He'd still keep crying and crying. And so yeah, we're hoping that this time won't be as hard. But yeah, we're going swimming now.
Okay, are we ready? Malakai's got the kicks. Good work. Lovely. Alright, so this round we're going to go from the left. Good work. Alright, one more time up and back, guys. The more comfortable you get and the more time you see that face stretch up before you put it under, before you put it down, the closer you're getting to being able to do it.
A few moments later.
After a rough swimming lesson, he owned those waves. Look at him, he's so cute. Can't even begin to imagine what he'll be like when he actually gets the injection. Isn't that right? Oh, it's so cute. Oh. So the dreaded time is here. We just got to the shopping centre. Our appointment's in probably 5 minutes. That's alright, there's always a wait. Always like a 5-10 minute wait. And yeah, we're pretty. It's normal, but it doesn't make it easier.
We don't like seeing him in pain.
Yeah. We thought we'd be fine after the first one, and then now we know how it affects him and his sleep and how sad it makes him. Ugh.
Alright, well,
Just have to bear through it.
we're gonna go. See you soon.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just want you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you
Apa? Double budi. Apa double budi? Apa? Ri. Apa? Daba ri. Apa? Double budi.
I'll do it this one.
Okay. Double budi. Double budi. Double budi. Double budi.
Was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others.
It's okay.
There's a thing. Oh my boy.
Till we grow old, please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself.
Is it
Did you
eating
give
time?
him more?
Quickly close it. Oh, put the lid on. My happy Baba. My happy Baba. Twinkle.
This is day 2
Yeah.
of eating.
Very cute.
Day 2 of eating solids for Malakai. So we just Krystal just mixed. What is it?
Cereal and water.
Cerelac.
Cerelac, yeah.
Yeah. Mix the Cerelac with water, freshly boiled. It's cooled down now. And then this guy.
So excited. I'm very excited to eat.
This is with the cleanse our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Good job.
Yay! He said amen.
Amen. Ready?
Oh my Baba.
Oh, not your hand.
Your hand is eating.
Good job.
job.
Yummy.
It's like swishing it in his mouth.
Yeah.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me. The smile is quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this.
We made a big purchase. Well, it wasn't actually big for us, but we used our gift cards, one from Mom and one from Cheryl, I think. We got this. So I'm gonna make Mom, myself, and Noki a nice coffee. Okay, this is what the box comes in.
All the time, longer life. Longer life. Good.
Just opening it. Oh yeah, we got the white one. Comes in this. Mom, do you want a hot one or a cold one?
A hot.
Yes. Go in the bin. My love, it comes with espresso pods. Oh wait, no, is it?
Yes. I think so.
My love, there already are espresso pods. One of every. That is so cool. I did not even know that.
What are the
What are the selection? Really great question.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together, all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey! Say. Walking around, you and me. The Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us.
Ready? What's that, Mama?
Oh, it's not focusing. Try that again.
Where's your smile? 1, 2, 3, smile! Smile!
What a grumpy guy.
Smile! 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 Where's your smile? Oh, sorry. Here.
Right, what flavor is it?
This is banana, apple, and porridge with brown rice.
So this is his first time eating something that has a bit more flavor. Is that yum? You don't know? Is that yum? What's that taste? Is that yum?
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you
our way to
Nando's again.
again, yeah, for the 20th time this week. Second time. Who doesn't love a good old Nando's trip?
Oh.
Hey? Hey? Oh.
Oh,
hold on.
Let's go.
Oh, wait. Are you going down?
Tell me this forehead. Yay, Malakai! Yay! Are you standing? Are you standing? Are you a big boy now? Oh, whoa, whoa, look at that big belly.
Oh, they're here.
Oh, who's that? Who's that? Hello, Malakai. Did I use?
Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars alight.